Hi, today we are going to learn how to make use of a and an. The uses of a and an in English grammar. Remember that we have 26 letters of the English alphabet. So after the 26 letters, we have five vowel sounds. There are five letters that are vowels. So the letters are here. I wrote them out here so you can see. A, E, I, O, U are all vowel sounds. You can pronounce this letter as A in this case. A, E, O, U. They are called vowel sounds. So they are vowels out of the 26. Now we have only 21 letters left, and those 21 letters are consonant letters. So any word that begins with a consonant letter is, we use a to pronounce the word correctly, and words that begin with vowel letters or vowel sounds, we use an for them. Okay, so what I'm saying is that we use the article a when a word begin with a consonant sound. For example, for example, a car, a car. Can see that a is it's a vowel sound, right? And this is a car. So a is a vowel, right? And then C that begins this word car is a consonant later. So we use a when a word begins with a consonant letter. For example, a car, a teacher, a teacher. You can see that the letter T here is a consonant. It's a consonant letter. Okay, so T is consonant. So we use a to pronounce to describe a teacher. Okay, and then we have so many examples where we can use a. Consonant a is also used to mention a book. For example, a book. Now we can also use article a if a word begins with a vowel but it sounds like a consonant. For example, a one-sided figure. We can also use, I will take that again, we can also use article a if a word begins with a vowel but it sounds like a consonant. For example, if I say a one-sided figure, a one-sided figure, here we can also use an article a university student, a university student, a uniform, a uniform. Okay, so those are the areas where we can use article a. All right. So let's see how we can use an. Now remember that an is is used when a word begins when a word begins with a vowel. Okay, we use where the first letter of a word is a vowel. For example, I can say an ice cream. An ice cream. I can also say an orange. An orange. All right. So we can use an when the first letter of a word is a vowel. It's a vowel. All right. And there are so many words that we can use that we can use and to pronounce it more confidently. We can use words like an aeroplane, an ant, an apple. There are so many of them. There are so many words. An apple, an umbrella, you know, an aeroplane, an aeroplane. So the article "an" can also be used if the first letter is a consonant, but it's silent in the beginning of the word. We can use "an" when the first letter is a consonant, but it's not pronounced, it's silent. For example, an hour. Words like an hour. Because somebody is going to ask, somebody may ask that how come we are using an to pronounce hour, but the letter is not a vowel, it's a consonant. So remember that in the word hour, H here is silent. So the O that is pronounced the word is a vowel sound. It's a vowel letter. So that's why we use an to pronounce an hour. Okay, if the consonant letter is silent and it begins the word, then we use an. All right, words like an honest man, an honest child, an honest child, an honest man. So the article can be used if the first letter is a consonant but is silent. So there are a lot of words that sometimes people get confused. People beginners in English language, um, most most of the time they mix them up. So it's a daily practice. No one is actually perfect, and there can be a mistake. So, but you have to be confident if you keep practicing this on daily basis. You can check more examples. I have given you some examples: a book, a chair, a car, a universal language, a usual habit, an umbrella, an intelligent man, an innocent child. unfinished work. Thank you. See you next time.